Hello, we are Laura Martinez and Solangie. In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can improve your pronunciation. Especially, we are going to be focused on stress, and we are going to show you some exercises and tips that you should take into account in order to do this. We are going to define stress. It is relative emphasis or prominence given to a certain syllable in a word, or to a word in a phrase or sentence. This emphasis is typically caused by such properties as increased loudness and vowel length. We're going to talk about the importance of having a good pronunciation in English. The first thing you need to know is that when you improve your pronunciation, you have the chance to avoid misunderstandings when you're talking. At the same time, when you improve it, you make yourself more understandable, which is better since you can create and have a better communication with people around you.
Now we are going to see what are the words that I have to stress when I am speaking. To do that, we are going to visit Thought Code That. This website has a lot of information about English as a language and English as a culture. If you're speaking, the words that you have to stress are nouns, main verbs, adjectives, adverbs, negatives, including negative helping verbs, and word expressing quantities. Also, there are words that you cannot stress. Those are determiners, auxiliary verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, pronouns, verbs have and be, even when they are used as main verbs.
Let's look at an example. If we're going to ask to someone for something, we need to raise stress on the correct words or it's going to sound like a positive sentence. Let's look at this example. Sam, are you coming over tonight? Tonight is the word we need to make an emphasis since it is a question, because if we make emphasis in other word, it is not going to sound good. Let's look at another example. Sam, are you coming over tonight?
In questions, sometimes your stress must be up or down. Here are some ideas to recognize where you have to stress up or down. To begin, you must to think in what is the answer of my question? First, if the possible answer of your question is yes or no, you have to stress up the last word of your sentence. If your question starts with can, do, have, are, and is, you always stress up the last word of the sentence. Let's listen some examples.
Are you hungry? Hungry? Does he eat meat? Meat? Have you tried doing? Doing?
Second, if the possible answer of your question starts with a WH question, you have to stress down the last word of the sentence. In questions that start with what, how, where, when, why, you always stress down the last word of the sentence. Let's listen some examples.
Hungry. 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 Why doesn't he eat meat? Meat. Meat. When did you try durian? Durian. Durian.
At the moment, we are going to practice. Please pause the video and identify which words must be stressed in the following examples. Now, pause the video again and check your answers. Remember that the words in italics and underline are the correct answer. In this part, you will find extra material that will complete the previous explanation. The first link is a summary of what sentence stress means and how to practice in your daily life. Then, the next one, in that you can find some interactive examples about the stress. Also, there are activities that reinforce the meaning of stress and how to use it. And finally, the last link. In that, you can find a brief summary of what is intonation and how it is important in stress. Don't worry, all the links are in the description box on YouTube. Here is an example. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that this video has been a great help in your learning process.